If you can't draw barns or Bob Ross style cabins in perspective, watch this. I actually built an interactive 3D tool that strips away the math and gives you the exact blueprint of any building instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut to paint and draw perfect cabins every single time. So now we're getting a 2-point perspective barn. If you want to add a little bit more depth to the door right here, doorway, we're going to go ahead and put a piece of wood right in here. So we're grabbing this vanishing point, bringing it over here and putting it right in front of that door. And now all we have to do here to give it some thickness is go straight up. Why worry about perspective anyway? Well, it definitely adds depth to your paintings and your drawings. It can turn an okay piece of artwork into a masterpiece. Perspective is the illusion of making a flat image appear to have depth. One way to achieve this is by using a technique called 2-point perspective. Drawing in perspective creates the illusion that the image has depth, distance, and relative scale. Start by creating a horizon line, then add 2 vanishing points, one on the left and one on the right. Because we are drawing in 2-point perspective, we need 2 magic anchors called vanishing points. We will place one on the far left and one on the far right of our horizon line. Let's start off with a simple 3D cube. Instead of drawing the flat front of the cube, we start with the corner closest to us, just a simple vertical line. This sets the height. The purple line is giving us our height. Watch how these lines come together to create our 3D cube. Let me know in the comments below if you think my app has been beneficial to you. So now you have it, a 3D cube. And now, let's move this around. The reason I created this app is so we can move this around and actually show you how the perspective actually works. You may or may not have seen stuff like this in the past, but I'll tell you, as far as a visual for drawing or painting, it helps out a lot. Your horizon line can go up and down. Your horizon line is basically where your eyes are at. Your vanishing points, if you want them more realistic, typically are very wide. So when you're trying to do something with vanishing points like a nice building, and you're trying to do it on a 16 by 20 or an 8 by 10 canvas, you usually have a hard time because when they're really close together, they distort the image. So typically, the farther apart your vanishing points are, the better. And now, you could go ahead and start doing your cabin. In this case, you could do a cabin, you could do a house, you could do a cottage. This is just the beginning. If you're enjoying my Perspective app and you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments below. I created this app to help make understanding perspective easy, even if you're just a beginner. I created this app with the intent of actually being able to upload images so you can actually understand the perspective much better. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in comments. Be more than glad to help. This was a special request, so I'm here for you guys. I'll do the best I can. If you have questions, just put them in the comments. Don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe. It definitely helps with viewing, so you can actually see more of these, and So thank you very much for joining me today. My name is Naso, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.